Lo-fi chill. Wow. Let's do it. Day 40. Today is what? Day 41. Remove this title. And the thumbnail. Let's use the. I'll just ignore the thumbnail for now. Let YouTube decide the thumbnail for this video. Pop out the chat. Let's set a goal. Today is what? Wednesday. Wow. So much work has been done on Monday and Tuesday itself that I feel like it's it feels that it's the end of the week. 1 hour. I will be this would be a good goal, right? Hey Shubham, hello, welcome to the stream, man. A lot of things to be done today. So yesterday we submitted the app on both the apps, and today both the apps were rejected, and the reason was very stupid in my opinion. So what they're saying is for PixFix, which was live, now they have rejected this update because they're saying that I'm using a wrong screenshot. I should not be using this screenshot, which what? Let me show this one. So I cannot use this screenshot. They're saying it's something to do with app completeness. What is app completeness? I'm pretty sure this is wrong. 2.1. What is app completeness? 2.1. They have not mentioned about app completeness anywhere, but the accurate metadata they have mentioned twice. So one reason of rejection is they just rejected it like 2 minutes before I started the stream. Sabrinath, hey, hi Sabrinath, welcome to the stream. Man, I watched Jack Reacher, crazy movie. Jack Reacher, I forgot it. Is it that Tom Cruise movie? This one? This is a really good movie. Even the new series came out, the Jack Reacher on, I think, Prime. The series was also good. So in this stream, we will be creating some accurate metadata. So they are saying include device images and or device frames, show footage other than the app in use. So we should not be doing that. We should not be showing anything else. They need some information about the face data. Also, they want this to be mentioned in our privacy policy somewhere. So this I can reply them because I just did this. Same reason they rejected the headshot one. And performance accurate screenshot do not show the actual app, resources, support. Okay, got it. So basically they are replying for the same reasons. So we'll go to install on next launch. Technically I had to create new screenshots earlier only, but as they have rejected it, so we'll be creating them now, which is fine. I'm thinking I'll be using the same screenshots which I have used here, but with different device frames. Okay, so the AI shot will become PixFix, and fix will become that yellow tint. Another thing which I need to do on the whole frame is the size. So the size should be 1242 by 2688. 1242 by 2688. Yeah. So they want this size for all of this. 1242 by 2688. Sorry. So we can even say this, but let's say this we will increase a bit in 15 seconds. Okay, I want to change the this part a little bit, and even I want to make it bold, so this would be 72. And even the image can be the real image of the app, which is in this one. Shit. And I will add some curves to it. So this whole can be like this. I think this is not sitting, something like this. And then I can move it to the center. Fine, right? So this will come in all. Legend, hi Legend, welcome to the stream, man. We are just doing some screenshot changes because Apple rejected. They're saying my screenshots are not correct. So background images, we'll use some different background images for this one. How about this? Copy image. This is giving a good texture, but I feel, where is it? What the hell? What the hell? And we will make it black, solid black, and reduce the opacity to maybe 20, or maybe, so it becomes like this. I don't need this person, I don't need this. This is for AI shot. We don't need this. We don't even need this. So I think this is good, right? And we'll be using the same thing on all the designs here. So basically, wait, or do I even need these models? No, I don't. Just delete them completely. We'll just use one and keep changing the others. It's fine. Harshit, hi Harshit, welcome to the stream. How are you doing? Stroke of a little bit of white. I don't like it. No, it's fine. And what were our older? So this is the thing. Whoever tests the app, depends on them what mood they are in. The earlier version they accepted happily, but now they are rejecting it. So convert images to videos. How can we show this? Press use Rotato. Remind me later. I'll have to use the screenshot from the app. So I'm thinking I'll be just using the demo itself. Show demo. Save to photos, which is not looking that great. So maybe I'll use it again, show demo. But how to show this before and after in this? Oh. What we can do is maybe I'm just testing the app. Just give me a sec. Hey Blinken, missed you yesterday. How are you doing? How's your app coming along? Convert images to video. Save to photo. So I will just send this picture. These two pictures. I don't know how I will show this, but let's see. Where is Rotato? I'll be using the add one with transparency, and we'll use it like this. We drop this image, right? Lincoln, what did I miss yesterday? I was doing work on my Jeep, my father-in-law and me. Oh, nice. Are you adding new, like the gates again on the Jeep? Yesterday was like very productive. Yesterday we finished up the whole AI shot release, which was released, and I just uploaded a whole landing page with everything, submitted the app for review. Sadly, after 24 hours today, it got rejected, and silly reasons, nothing major. I have to change nothing on the app. It's just they want me to change some metadata, add some more privacy policies. I recently updated AI shot again, asked them to review it, and yeah, the second update which I gave for Pixfix, they have rejected that as well. And this time the reasoning for this is that I'm using the screenshots like this, where it's not showing the real work app UI. That's what they wrote in the rejection. So that's why I'm just updating it here like this. I hope they will be happy with this. Animate image. Okay, I'll just put it on what? Fix 1. Open in Finder. Fix 1. And I will be using it in Figma. Yeah. Maybe 15-second not here. So it would be convert images into video. Okay, and this would be, no, this is fine. Video would be fine, but convert image to video would be white, solid. And even the video, I want to make this color the yellow theme, and this color also the yellow theme, but a little bit darker, or maybe white, brighter. Fonts can go a bit bigger. This one. To show this, now I'm just not sure how to show the video conversion happening. Maybe I can just show preview like this here, or maybe here. Which would be with a little bit of circular view. We can use, I think I have all the images already with me somewhere. Where the hell are the images? Okay, maybe I have to get it from the assets. Source, assets, sample 1, sample 1, new, this one. And in this screen I can maybe show kind of this view with a darker background. And I want to add a plugin from icons as a play button. Play. Shubham, bro, here it's raining. It was raining here as well yesterday, but today it's good. Shubham, you're from what? Pune, right? Pune, Goa weather is kind of similar. Kind of. Even I will make it more of like this and maybe add an effect to it, which is layer blur. More layer blur. It's not even visible. Yeah, Pune. Cool. It's raining. Nice. I'm like so tired of rain, to be honest, at this point. Pleasant, but sometimes too much. Same. I feel like it's good for a couple of hours, but after that I feel that it should now be stopped. The bad thing about rain is it does not work on your will. What? Why this thing is freaking hell. Yes. Okay, so convert image into video is done. AI photo recovery. Now we can show the photo recovery part. For that I'll have to go to the onboarding again. Photo recovery. Photo recovery, recreate. Show demo. I'm thinking if I should show two different views like this. Like, can I show it like this? One view kind of this way and the another with this slightly opposite of this. So one can be this image, save to photos. Another is this image, save to photos. Let's see. I'm just experimenting. So select these two images, Mac Studio. Okay. So first image would be like this. Fix 2. And the another image would be like this. Complete opposite of that. Image fix 3. So instead of this, we will go at fix 2. Shit. Fix 2. and this will be Pixfix 3. Too crammed? I feel it's too crammed. Is it good to show it like this? I'm thinking maybe I can put an arrow somewhere. What? Wait. No. Reverse. Horizontal. And this one can go up. How about this? This would be AI photo recovery. AI photo. This would be recovery. Right? Am I right? And even in this one, we can give a stroke. Maybe white with a little, or maybe the color can be yellowish with 100% border. And then there is add colors to black and white picture. So for all these, I can do the same thing in that case, but all the AI photo recovery, then there is add colors to pink and white. I think this one, black and white pictures. Add color to black and white picture, which could be the second option. Yeah, this one. Save to photos, colorize. Save to photos. This looks good. Rotato. And send these pictures again. Select these two. Pass on to Mac. Shubham, man, so from 10 days I am becoming crazy productive. No ADHD. Awesome. What are you working on? What is the crazy work you are doing with this crazy productivity? I think this looks good. Like this. Or maybe this? No. Maybe this is good, like this. Yeah. Pixfix 4. Again, go to this. Video Pixfix 4 is here. Wait. Pixfix 4 is here. This is no. This is good. Right now I built an app, going to publish it soon, first 3 days. Nice. Which app are you working on, Shubham? Blinkin, that's awesome. What kind of app? Yeah, what kind of app? Platman, hi, welcome to the stream. Shubham, then middle 3 days made an AI model for deep sea recognition of organisms for an hackathon. Wow, amazing work, Shubham. Add colors to black and white pictures. Then there is what? Remove scratches with AI. Would be remove scratches with AI. For this, I would want to scratches. I want a linear gradient on this. Select the yellow color, and for this, select the same yellow color, but again a little bit. It's not even showing what's happening. So remove scratches with AI will be here, and then the final would be wait. Save and share in HD quality. Freaking hell. Can I copy the code? Copy properties. Paste properties. Yes, we can. Okay. Paste properties. Nice. Save and share HD quality. I also want to show. So these are the screenshots. One is convert image into video, which is good. And now just making some landing page for an hackathon. Okay, cool. I don't have time for a hackathon, but that's awesome. Link in Divyanshu. It's an app of Bhagavad Gita, basically, where it had 2 audiobooks, quote of the day, and few more features like talking to Krish, AI chatbot, and other cool stuff. Awesome. Shubham, do share, man. Do share this app. Harshil, what's up? I'm good. How are you? How are you doing? Guys, I would really appreciate if you can give me some feedback on these designs. Like, I'm just concerned on the second design. Is it too clunky? Because I feel too much is visible on this. This is just my opinion. If you see this image on the screenshot, AI photo recovery, is it conveying the message? Because I don't want to make all the screenshots similar. That's why I'm just adding this. Then remove scratches with AI. In this one, again, I will do the same thing. Remove scratches. De-scratch. Save to photo. Shubham, yeah, I'll share. Cool. We'll wait for it. Would be happy to test. Even if it's an Android, I can test in some other device I have. I'll like revive my old broken phone, which is lying somewhere. This would be 655. 655 is here. Remove scratches. Right, good. Remove the recreate and continue button once. Remove the recreate. I can't remove this button because this is what Apple team has said. I should paste the screenshot directly from the app, and so I'm just taking screenshots from the app. That's the reason they rejected the app. Harshil, maybe use like text above image, like before, after, or previous, etc. Something for second screen. Harshil, that's a good idea. Or you mean like something like this here before, which could be medium with maybe 60, and this could be, but this will become more cluttered in my opinion. This is like adding more will, I think it already has a lot of elements in it. This is what I'm thinking. Harshil, and remove that arrow maybe. Yeah, if I remove the arrow, then that makes sense. Mm. But adding text, I believe text will be like more information on the screen. I want to like so the main problem with the second screen, what I'm thinking is, maybe I'm just overthinking, is it has two screenshots of the app. Whereas, for example, in this one, it's very simple. Like, you understand, add colors to black and white picture. Here is a colored picture, then there is a black and white picture, and it's getting converted. It's quite evident from this one. Remove scratches with AI. This is again pretty evident. Share screen. This I'll have to do the thing. Wait. Share in HD. Where is it? Do I have any good picture which I want to save? Yeah, this one will work. Rotato. Something like this. Fix 6. And video fix 6. And even let's give one more this time. What else is there? Any feature screen which are missing? Save screen is here. History screen we can give. Then there's a screen. Okay, I'll add 2 more screens. Shubham, maybe Saturday, cause right now I haven't really applied for developer account yet. Cool. Anytime. Or you can just demo it on a video showing how it works. But yeah, pretty good app, man. All the best. And do let me know how your developer account creation process goes. If you're creating an individual account in Play Store, I guess there are some strict rules now that you have to submit the app for, or give the app for testing to 12 of your friends, and they should have the app for a certain amount of time. After that only you can publish it. I remember it last time Play Store was just doing all that crazy stuff with my new account. It's getting too cold. Hind, yo, hello, got late today. Hey Hind, welcome to the stream, man. How are you doing? This actually we can just use this, or better is this only. Simple. Fix 7, and then there is fix 8. So this is share quality, then there will be another video. Fix 7 be here. converted. What we can say? What could be the title here? Code with Yugi. Hello, bro. I have a question. Sure, let me know. Shivam, yeah, I will do that. Wow, what? I didn't know that. Yeah, once you create the account and you submit your first app, I guess you will be surprised as I was. Yugi, like how you decide what not to learn, as there are so many things. I am so confused from past few days. Please guide me. Yugi, this is a good question, to be honest, because I can completely understand things can go very overwhelming once you start learning something new, and where you don't even know. But even if you look at the roadmap looks so huge, and you feel like the information overload is too big. Even looking at how long you have to go into this journey, it feels too exhausting already, reading that whole roadmap, right? What I would suggest is, that's why I usually suggest, start learning what you need right now. Do not learn everything which you don't need. For example, if you are learning front end, so just learn to make a front end app, basic front end app. That's it. Don't think about anything else. While you are learning it, you will find out some problems on that process, and then start searching solutions for those problems. For example, you will see how to store users state across all apps, all pages. One process you will be doing initially would be like passing props to each component, and you will be very good at it. You will think like, oh, this is so easy, like I can just pass props to one component to another. It's easy. Why would I want anything else? But once your code or your project becomes bigger, you will see that that is a big problem, passing props all across the components. So that's the very rudimentary approach. And then you will think of, okay, how can I improve this? Then you will ask ChatGPT, how can I improve? I do not want to pass props to like hundreds of components every time. And then you will understand why states were created. Then you will understand, okay, how to preserve these states globally, how to preserve this state locally. And this is how learning happens generally. Instead of learning everything at once, just learn very fundamental basics, what you can do in 1 hour or 1 day or 2 days. Just learn that. After that, start implementing what you're learning. And while you are implementing, you will have a lot of questions. Ask those questions to ChatGPT or any LLM, and then just keep learning. So that's the best way of learning. That's how generally I have learned, like doing things, finding problems, searching for those problems, and you just keep learning. Hind, man, I'm missing out on so many things. AI news, what's happening in tech world due to my classwork. But finally, holidays are here from tomorrow. Awesome. Nothing much has happened on the AI domain, to be honest. Nothing super fancy. I've been looking at all the things happening. I mean, very incremental changes happening here and there. Yeah. Kaiser, React context is a lifesaver. Yes. And then once your context becomes like huge, once you see, okay, I'm wrapping a lot of context and that is becoming a problem, then you understand, is there any library which solves this? Then there are libraries like JustEnd. There was another library which we used to, which was what was the state management library? I currently use JustEnd library in React, but there was another popular one. It was Redux. Yeah, I think it was Redux. So earlier I used to use a lot of Redux in my projects, but then I found out Redux is an overkill sometimes for smaller projects. If you're working with a big, huge ass team and very huge project, then some of the features of Redux do make sense. Otherwise, JustEnd is just the goat for me, to be honest. Then there is Recoil. Recoil and Redux are kind of similar. There are like hundreds of state management libraries. There is like Zotai. I tried using Zotai as well. There is MobX. There is Recoil, Redux, JustEnd, Xstate, Valtio. So you do not have to learn everything. Like I do not know all these. Like I don't know. I don't even know how to use MobX. I have used it in one simple project for testing, but right now if you ask me, if you show me MobX code, I will not understand it. Similarly, Xstate, Valtio, I have never used them. Zotai I have used once. JustEnd is my go-to. I have used Recoil, I think many years back. Redux I have used. So Redux and JustEnd I have used, and those I learned because I was implementing them on a project. Harshit, oh, I found myself in this screenshot. Yeah, this is Harshit. This is Harshit when he was a kid. He gave me his picture to animate. And to be honest, this is me. This is me and my brother. I was just animating an old picture of hers, which my mom gave. So, Kaiza, Sora 2 is probably the biggest thing most recently. Yeah, Sora 2 is like crazy. Harshit got access to Sora 2. He has started creating some content with, who is he? Jake Paul? Jake Paul's brother. I don't know his name. Code with Yugi. Thanks. I will sure follow this way. Like all people say, do this, do that. No one tells why. Yeah, I mean, this is a problem. There are, so you know, the teaching market is too big, and everyone wants to make it complicated so that the learner becomes a little bit confused and they feel that okay, whoever is making sense, we should buy their course. And Logan Paul, yes, thank you, Logan. No, it's Jake. Wait, I don't know, whoever is younger. So Harshit showed me a video where that guy is saying, "Didn't you go for running today?" Something like that. And so yeah, Yugi, where I was, huh? So I mean, the best way to learn is to learn yourself. Every person, every good developer I met in my journey are the people who are self-taught, who learn by building. Because see, we are at a stage at this point in software development where the only person who will survive as a software engineer is the one who really enjoys this process. Anyone who is forcing software engineering into them, it's not the right time to be there, because it's not going to be that lucrative. Earlier it was lucrative, there was a lot of money in this domain, so everyone wants to just earn quick bucks. But once they jump into this domain after learning like 2-3 tutorials or getting few certificates, then they found out it's grinding. Because if you're, it's similar in every domain. If, like, for example, if I don't like cricket and I start to become a cricketer, I will always be going with this mindset of fuck, I have to again go to the and do the batting, fielding and bowling. I don't even enjoy cricket. Similar to in software engineering, like if you do it, if you're passionate about it, you will figure out everything. You will be so, you know, you will want to have answers. Like for example, I think anyone who relates to this, like for example, Harshit is a good editor. He learns all the editing techniques. He knows, he gives me tips like we can do this, we can add this. I'm not that passionate about editing, but he is. So he finds these techniques. He's always searching for it. He's not looking like tutorials and courses and roadmaps. He's just trying to make his next video 1% better. Similarly, I'm just trying to make my apps a little 1% better for myself. Like I know the problems. How can I make it more abstract? How can I make it so that in next few months when I come back to the code base, I know what I written. So this is what I'm trying to improve on my code bases and the code which I'm writing. So it's that process of learning which happens when you try to improve what you're building 1% every single time. And then in this process, you learn 1%, and that compounds after years of your learning. So there is no course, no tutorial which will teach you like you do this course and you will be like 100% ready for the world as a software engineer. There will be never such a course. There will be foundational courses. Just do the foundational course, jump into the water, start swimming, which means like coding, and then scratching your head 100 times a day and looking at your screen and asking the question, why is it done this way? Is there any solution? Then searching about it, then finding a solution, then searching about it. And this is the whole self-learning processes. Shubham, Zustand is cool. Yeah, Zustand, I like Zustand. Kaiser, Zustand is the one my AI is always trying to get me to install. Yeah, I think Zustand, it's super simple. Zustand doesn't make anything super complicated. That's why I like it. Logan Paul, Logan, Jake, I don't know who is boss. Sam, Harshit's 1% tweak will give Div 100% profit. There is a lesson in there. Shivam, hey Shivam, what's up, man? How are you doing? Welcome, Sam. How are you? Sam and me, I think we will be doing our podcast this week. Hopefully, this time it will be live. What we can say this. So I want to highlight this, that you can watch your things on the history. Wait, too much dependence on ChatGPT. Instant. I have a screenshot for iOS app where I want to add a title on that screenshot, where I want to mention that users can access their converted videos and images in the history section. What is a 2 to 3 word title for this? Give me 3 examples. Yugi, thank you. You're welcome, man. Blinken, what are your thoughts on the new plan mode in Cursor? Oh yeah, I tried it. It's amazing. Like, again, the thing which we all were doing earlier, we were asking Cursor to make a plan first and then execute. Now I think Cursor also knows about it, and Cursor is implemented directly into their dashboard. So now you can go, and I'll show you here. Yeah, short. Close all. Wait a minute here. So if you go here, you will have a plan mode. The color is now a little bit yellowish, and it will not code anything. It will just plan it with you. So you can talk to it. It will make a pretty solid plan. And once you are ready, you can say implement. Now I'm good with the plan, implement it. It just solves a little bit of a UX issue, which we all were facing, where we were doing it manually by ourselves. Good, they have added it. View conversion history is better. Copy properties, paste property, view conversion history, and what was the last image I created? I think in Rotato. Yeah, this one. So for this, we can take the Pixfix 8 version. Another screen is of home screen, where user can select many options for their pictures, like colorize, deblur, recreate, enhance, animate. Give 4 example for this too. Yugi, waiting for podcast. You remember I once tell you to do podcast. Yes, Yugi, I remember. We did. Actually, me and Sam, we have done 2-3 podcasts previously. I don't know, Sam, if they are live or not, but we used to talk about tech. And this time again, we are trying this remotely. Earlier, we had a setup at Sam's place, but this time we are trying to do it remotely. So we can do a lot more, almost like every other week. Sam, I'm waiting for a week of sun. A month. It's supposed to be a wet weekend. Yeah, same. The last 4 days have been so bad in Goa. It's not like cloudy, it's foggy, and even the sunsets are happening so boring. Even today I went to watch the sunset, and I was so disappointed. The days are very sunny, but by the evening, I think the fog came, and it was very foggy atmosphere. By foggy, I mean it's not like the mountain or cold foggy as in north, but the visibility is very, very weak. Shivam, did you release AI shot too? Shivam, yes. Yesterday, if you watch our yesterday's live, I did submit for review yesterday only. Today at around, I think 5 p.m, they gave me the review result, which was rejected because of some screenshot and some metadata they needed. Nothing about the app they mentioned. So I have resubmitted it by evening. So I'll be hoping that by tomorrow it gets released. And also I updated this Pixfix by a lot of new things, some analytics and all. So they rejected this as well, with asking me to change the screenshots. So that's why I'm just updating the screenshots here. Sam, maybe we ask people some suggestion topic for podcast. I mostly have philosophical topics. Oh yeah, that's interesting. So Sam, can we, guys, anyone, like any topic which you guys want us to cover? I'm thinking I want to cover one topic is about the advancement, how advancement are happening in the video gen and how it can affect the whole content creation process. I have noticed like the A tier or A class ads are now converted to uh, AI generated ads, and this is a sentiment in the whole advertisement market industry as well, that people are not getting more projects from big clients as they are using these ads from like Sora or these models. So yeah, I want to touch on that, like how it affects the whole content creation process. And even I think Casey Neistat's recent video was amazing. I want to touch on that. It's a good topic to discuss. Secondly, I want to discuss about uh, the whole AI fatigue which has happened. How, like, if I open my Twitter, earlier it was all about I wipe coded this, I wipe coded that. Now it's like how wipe coding is dead in October 2025, and the sentiment has suddenly started to drop. Even I saw that Lovable lost almost 50% of their user base, so their graph is going downwards. So the trend is not looking good for these wipe coded apps. So it's an interesting topic to talk about. Blinken, I really like the plan mode, better odds to one shot task. Yes, me too, me too. I've used it. It's just that I finished all my credits in Cursor. I have already paid $50 for this month. I'm not using it extensively. I'm using Kimi K2 and GLM 4.6. I also read somewhere, I haven't tested it myself, but Cursor has started giving their own internal model now, which is called this Code Supernova. This is free. So any one of you have used it, would be interesting to get your take on it if any one of you have used it. So this is, they are saying it's a stealth model from an undisclosed provider, but someone mentioned that maybe it's their own internal AI model for coding, which they have trained, because definitely they will be doing it internally because they have a lot of data and they can now train their own model, which will be cheaper. So this is what Code Supernova is. So this, I like this line. AI tool for every shot. Paste properties. Wait, copy properties. Paste properties. So yeah, I think we are good, right? What else did they mention in the review? So they said accurate metadata, includes device images and/or device frames, show footage other than the app in use. App preview should allow users to see what the app does and how it will appear on their device when the preview is played in full screen. Done. Guideline information needed. We need additional information. What phase data? Okay, for this we'll have to use one small thing. Layer. CD retro fix. What? King hell. Apple rejected our app for this reason. I have written an extensive report here for that. Where is my report? Where is my report? Can you please add this on our privacy page here? Wait, there is no privacy page on the shit. Copy. This is a bad thing which I have done. Maybe I'll have to open the 100 ND projects from here. Bro, where is that project? 100 ND bets here. So CD. Yes. Is there a privacy page here? CD source. Hmm. And a dedicated section with this info. Wait. The reason is copy and then dedicated with this info. Which is here. Okay. I really like Blinken. I feel like I need a nap. Yeah, I was very tired today as well. In the evening, I took a small nap. Here's the topic: getting over the fear of failure that is keeping devs from releasing products. Blinken, yes, we can pick that up. That's also Sam's favorite. On a different, not just for devs, but for I think releasing content. Shubham, discuss about your journey. I think it's oversaturated topic for me. I've discussed so much about my journey. What? We have already sat here for 1 hour? Wow. Learning buddy. Anthropic drops new model Haiku 4.5. Okay. Haikus are like thank you learning buddy. Introducing Haikus are like smaller models, right? Faster and smaller because they already have Sonnet 4.5. So there is like the progression is Haiku, Sonnet, and Opus, if I'm not wrong. Like first is Haiku. Yeah, got it. So it's better than Sonnet 4, but less than 4.5 Sonnet. So Haiku is set somewhere here in between. And it will be like, I guess it will be cheapest. And then there will be Opus 4.5, which will just be maybe 78 or 80%. Shubham, not your Sam's and your friendship. Yeah, we can talk about it, but I think it's Sam's podcast, so we want to make it like more about tech, talking about tech. That I can cover in another video which I'm making about Sam. I'm just waiting for good sunny days to come back so we can just shoot that video. Sam, my journey, I am a dog chasing car. I got a studio journey. Sam has a crazy journey. Sam is a very, very humble person. So it has added this section, fixed privacy policy page. Uh, 0 degree. Hey, what's up? Hey, 0 degree. Welcome to the stream, man. How are you doing? 0 degree. How was your birthday celebration? 0 degree. It was good. I generally do not celebrate my birthday as such, but it was good. It was a good chill day. Shubham, no, Sam. Okay, not Journey. Then today's app at least. Sam, Sam has to share his app. By the way, I wanted to like tell you my keyword research strategy, but I'll do it some other day. So one is this: accurate metadata, upload new screenshot. This is all the issue in Febo. But the app notes may only be viewed and updated by selecting view all size. View screenshot section of the connect. Follow these general marketing promotion material. Do not. Got it. I understand your submission rejection. So I will have to update it. Let's update the screenshots again. Meanwhile, let me check if the deployment happened. At least it's done. 100 indie bets. If we go to our Pixfix privacy, is the privacy section updated? Cloud processing, phase data collection and usage. I will reply them about this thing, and meanwhile we'll also export some screenshots. Export. I will update the screenshots on the retrofix as well. We'll call it screen 1. Replace. This will be screen 2. Replace. This will be screen 3. Replace. 1, 2, 3. This will be 4. Screen 4. Then there will be screen 5. Replace. And then there will be screen 6. And there will be screen 7. Let's update it here. Coding retro fix screen 1 to 7. What the what? Don't do this to me, brother. Where is the screen 1? Is this not 1242 by 2688? Get info. 1250. Why is it 1250? This is stupid. Screen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll have to put all these screens here now. Something has happened with these screens. What's happening here? Oh, I'm Sam. Yeah, I was trying to post, but I don't know if it's legal. I was just checking. Please, no AI note taking app. Please have mercy. There are a lot of them. No, I'm not. I was just. I'm not making a note taking app. I was just showing you. Like I thought I will show the demo with this keyword AI note taking app. Like how we can do more research on the same topic and find another good idea to build on the similar domain, but no, obviously not AI note taking app. Shubham, make something like the voice to notes type of AI thing if you are doing that. My next two apps I've already decided. One is that YouTube thumbnail maker, and the fourth one is very interesting. I'll let you know. I finalized the keywords. I have finalized everything on that. I'll let you know in the streams. Let's try super sticker today. Man, I'm using the plan mode crazy. Oh, shoot. 0 degrees. Thank you so much, man. What is this? This is a new sticker thing. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you, man. It means a lot. Sam, I have sent the app, but probably don't add in website. Lol. Okay, let me check what it is. App of the day. Watch. Okay. So here is Sam's app of the day. By the way, I'm always forgetting what apps we have here. So someone, Shubham, can I give you this in charge? Like, you do join these streams. Can you keep track of all the apps which we are sharing here? And by end of week, we just update once a day on our landing page. So this is TV Garden, which is what we can watch any TV from anywhere, something like that. Top news, ABC, DW, WION. Let's see what Indian news is doing. What ABC News is doing. Al Jazeera News, CGTN. Is it legal, like, to watch all these news channels for free? This is crazy. Oh wow, there is a random button. So you can just click on a random button. It will take you to a random news channel. Interesting. I'm the most non-news watching person ever. But yeah, if anybody is interested to watch random news, this is a website, tv.garden. Guys, go ahead. Thank you, Sam. Thank you for sharing this. Okay, where were we? 1242. Make it 1242 by... What was the dimension? Shit, I forgot now. Not here. Zero degree. Love this consistency. You are the inspiration to Indian indie community. Thank you so much, 0 degree. Thank you so much, man. This means a lot. What is it? 1242 by 2688. See my ADHD. 1242 by 2688. 1242 by 2688. 1246 by 26. Now I will do one check after exporting this screen one. Save, replace. Now after this only, once it selects screen one, then only we will go. It's not taking it. Flux. What is this white thing on? Oh, I think we have increased the frame. Fuck. This is bad. This is bad. So we have increased the frame, but for some reason, so this is 1242, but you know, the frame is outside this. So this one is 1242. This is 1242, 1242, 1242. This has happened with me once. So everything is 1242. What is happening? What I can do is maybe copy as PNG and make another frame here. 1242 by 2688. Paste it. This is 1240 by 2068. Export as JPEG. This is screen one. Let's see. Get info. 1242y. Yes, this is working. Yes. For some reason, there is a white space on the bottom. What if I make it black? Green 1. Let's try to upload this. It did work. So it took this one. Then copy as PNG, paste it here. Copy as PNG, paste it here. Fuck. Copy as PNG. Yes. JPEG. Export. Screen 2. Then copy as PNG. Paste. Export. Screen 3. Copy as PNG. Screen 4. Then copy as PNG. This is screen 5. And copy as PNG. Screen 6. Copy as PNG. Screen 7. At this time, please don't fuck up. Please don't fuck up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, it worked. Okay, what's here? Sam, yeah, I already do that. Sam, definitely not legal. Probably don't show live lol. Oh yeah, yesterday's live stream is already copyright, like, has been done. Like, I got the message that the video has been blocked in some territories. Shivam, I didn't come yesterday. So what was yesterday's app? Oh, yesterday was a good app. Like, you just roam around the city. Something which this one. Drive and learn. I don't want to open it because, again, I got copyright yesterday. This is yesterday's app, Shubham. So I want to rearrange these screens, convert image to video. Then there is AI photo recovery should be number 1. Video is again, scratches is 3rd. Then black and white is then. This is then maybe this. Or maybe this first. Yes, this is good. And add for review. Resubmit for app review. Before that, I also want to reply to them. I want to reply to them based on, I have written the whole thing. What face data does the app collect? We collect user provided purpose generating sole purpose of converting old images into new with AI. We do not compute or store face geometry, face prints, embedding, true depth camera, or ARKit API. The images are treated as user content photos, not biometric templates. Yes. Planned use. This is what I want to tell them. Planned users for collection data. Generate AI converted images and videos from the user's own photos. Show results to the user and now download. Operate fix transient processing. We do not use the photo for advertising. This planned third-party sharing. For this, I would say photos are uploaded from the app to backend. I will just say backend. And temporarily stored in Cloudflare R2. Located in, I do not want to locate in Cloudflare R2. For processing delivery result, if needed, generation as images sent to replicate strictly to compute the output, after which the provider does not retain the images. We do not share the photos with analytics or running platform. The retention period. Original photos are auto deleted within 24 hours. After generation, generated results are stored for 30 days. So user can re-download and then delete it. Users can also delete all assets immediately from profile, delete account, my account, or by emailing div@aisidekick.com. Backups observe the same deletion window. Where is the policy explained? The privacy policy contains a dedicated section explaining this all in detail at this link. Under the section called as where is it? Where is it? Blinken, thank you so much, man. This means a lot. Wow. Thank you. Thank you so much, Blinken. It really means a lot. Sam, what are Diwali plans? AI Patake. I was actually going to suggest making a quick app to make those AI crackers and sell for $9. No, just for fun. This is a good idea. Someone in the stream who is watching, this is a good idea in the Diwali time. So I can just reply to them now, I guess. Resubmit. Cool, waiting for review. This is waiting for review. But what about this one? This is ready for review, but this is not submitted or something. Resubmit. Shit, I haven't clicked on resubmit. Fuck. Okay, so both the apps have been resubmitted today. And yeah, we'll look into Haiku Swap. What is the pricing for Haiku? Pricing. The client available everywhere. If you're a developer, simply use Claude Haiku via the Claude API. Pricing is now $1 and $5 per million input and output tokens. Pretty cheap. Pretty cheap. Almost, I think, 10x cheaper. No, I think that is $15, so 3 times cheaper. Good. And a stand. Bro, how do you find internship? I'm a third year learning full stack, can do backend, Zort, CRUD using MongoDB and SQL. I'm a monostack dev. Understand. How to find an internship? I mean, see, start applying for anywhere, like all the platforms, wherever people are looking for interns, just do email them. It's a long grind. The job condition is not as smooth as it was a few years back. So what I would suggest is make some projects as your, like, you know, as your medal of honors. So have a couple of projects on your resume which are live, which someone can test them, and do share them and email companies where they are posting about the jobs. Maybe just spam on LinkedIn the founders or the developer teams that I'm an intern looking for a job. It also depends if you're looking internship for money or experience. Generally, I would suggest go for experience in the intern stage, but obviously do not work for free. Take some stipend, but do not be too fixated on how much they are paying to you. Like, do not think like they will pay a lot for interns at this stage. If they pay you, then good. If they don't, just get an experience. Minimum of 3 to 6 months of experience is pretty decent, because then you will learn a lot of processes. It's not just the development, it's the process which you learn, like how a whole development cycle runs, what are sprints, what is agile methodologies, how product manager, how to talk to product manager, how to work with another engineer. This is all learning which will happen in 3 to 6 months, and after that you can shift to like a junior position in another company. So I would say, like, start spamming couple of companies in a good way. Do not use AI. Be yourself, authentic, and tell them what you have built, why are you looking for this internship, how valuable you will be for them. Show them what value you bring. And I mean, that's the way I would do if I have to find an internship at right now. And another thing is, you can start creating your own Twitter, Instagram, YouTube account. Start posting whatever you are learning every day. You do not have to come in front of the camera if you're camera shy. You just have to show what you are doing while you are like in this domain. Right now, I feel like showing your work online is your resume in this era. Abhinav, yo, did you increase your time to live stream daily? No, Abhinav, thank you for joining, Abhinav. I'm just leaving. I was just submitting this app for resubmitting. Basically, they rejected it for some stupid reasons. So that's what we did in this stream. It took more than an hour. Shivam, what's your story? What's my story? About what? This is done. This is done. I think we are good. This is live. This is also live. This is good. This is, we can close. And this is, we can close. And I can just leave now. Sam, find a company, find their pain points, make MVP to show how solve it, rinse, repeat. This is the only way. Resumes are dead. Yes, exactly. Just, this is a time when most of the companies are not reading your messages or even your resumes. They are not looking at resumes. All the process is AI dominated at this point. Every company is getting hundreds and thousands of resumes daily because, well, agents are all over the internet. They are spamming them. So it's not the right way. I mean, like, you have to find some different ways to reach out to them and build some solutions for them. Just show them, hey, I built this for you. Would it be like helpful? Some small tool. Just talk to ChatGPT. This is a company I'm applying as an intern. What can I build for them? And that project is not for them only. That will become your badge of honor. Like, you can put it on your resume. I built this product for this company. And then just keep building these small apps. You do not have to build like full scale authentication and everything. Just build a very small app. Just giving you a quick idea. One, I think a school kid or build an app which was a Chrome extension, and it used to give you how much you have spent on Zomato. You just install that extension, open your Zomato account, and it does the calculation and gives you a number. This is how much you have spent this year on Zomato, which was very quick. I think you can make such tools in one day and make these small tools. So if that guy shares this link and tag Zomato team, hey, I built this tool for you. I mean, don't build the same tool because that's already built, but similar tools. Like companies are online, like Swiggy, Zomato, they all have online presence. So just tag them on your project, I built this for you, and something can go viral. Well, going viral is not in your hand, but you can just keep experimenting with these small tools. That's what my advice would be as well, as Sam rightly said. Instant GitHub Instant, can you review it? Cool, I'll take a look at it. Instant, we'll see you tomorrow. I'll be coming tomorrow again. It's quite late now, I'll be leaving. Divyanshu, suggestion for put a cost breakdown of your each app you build. People need to also see making own apps and services should be your half priority. Put a cost breakdown of your each app. Cost breakdown, you mean like the dev hours or how much cost in terms of AI it's taking? Shivam, story as in how did you start your career and when did you finally decided to leave corporate world? Shivam, I have talked about it a lot in all of the streams, but I'll share it again, maybe tomorrow. Feeling a bit sleepy now. I'll be sleeping. Thank you everyone for joining this stream. I'll be coming tomorrow again, and have a good night. Bye bye. And again, thank you Blinken, and